Hey all you cocktail connoisseurs, you're with Josh Dean and we're gonna whip up a Rob Roy. Alrighty, this cocktail is made with whiskey. In our mixing glass, we have a delicious Singleton malt whiskey from the Malt Masters selection. We're gonna pop that in. We're gonna start off with 50 mils of that straight into your mixing glass. Followed by 25 mils of our red vermouth. Delicious. And remember when buying this, because of the alcohol content in it, I don't even know why, but I've been told we keep it in the fridge. We keep it in the fridge once you open it so it doesn't go off. Awesome. Couple of dashes of your Angostura bitters. Dash accordingly. Depends on how dashing you are. And then we are just going to put in a handful of ice into our mixing glass just to cool this down. Help develop those flavors and just get it all, grooving. So just give that a mix. Has like a Coca-Cola kind of smell to it. Actually, yum. I don't even like Coke. Awesome. All right, so we've got our nice little glass here. I'm gonna pop that down. I'm gonna grab another handful of ice. We love wasting ice, don't we? I'm gonna pop that in there. Take it from the Eskimos. And I'm just gonna fill. Ooh la la. Look at that. Delicious. Alright, and the reason I got this orange here, I know it looks absolutely beautiful, but we have taken a little peel off it. And we just have this little bit here of orange, and we're just going to just give it a twist and just express that over our drink. And that is just to get a nice little citrus hit on the nose. Don't be afraid to give it a little bit of a wipe as well, just around the glass to just give you that little citrus hint. I love it. Without vitamin C, where would we be? Actually, that song as well, right? It's the graduation song. Makes me cry every time I hear it. Alrighty, and now we have some delicious cherries. I said chilies. We've got some delicious cherries. We're just gonna pop a little cherry in there to garnish, and that's your drink. This is your Rob Roy. Cheers to you. Cheers to me. Hell friggin' yeah.